parents.
Okay.
Instead of like me, I grew up in Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
So there is different. Is there anything that you did find weird as a person growing up in America, but you have Jamaican parents, seeing that it's a culturally different?
That's a great question, and I'm going to answer that. But before I do, I would like to say my blood is tier 1. Okay? Because I have an issue with that every single time. No, I do. And I'm going to pick the bone right now because being an American born Jamaican, let's clarify, I'm Jamaican.
And
right?
you're Jamaican.
Yeah. But being an American born one, people always want to like make a difference, right? Like, oh, you're not Jamaican, or you come from foreign or whatever. Okay, no. Because until y'all stop calling the Chinese people them Chinese, and when you see Spanish people and they're just Spanish, right? But you don't know where they're born, but they're already Spanish. Oh, you're Puerto Rican, or you're this, you're that. And they could be born in America, but they still get to just call themselves just that because of how they look. Since Black Jamaicans born in America, there's no like look. Jamaicans don't have a look. So it's like then now it resorts to where I'm born.
But you know why? So first of all, we have a look. We have a look. We have